welcome back to my channel. Yeah, some of my subscribers they've asked me to do a tutorial on Metamask, how to keep safe on Metamask and avoid being hacked by scammers as best as possible. So let's head over to Metamask in the Chrome Web Store, and then we're gonna add the extension. This is a dummy wallet, so basically this is not my real wallet, it's just for illustration purposes. Right, so it's busy downloading. It's just taking some time. Alright, once it's downloaded, go ahead, get started, import wallet. I agree. Right, and enter your seed phrase. It's probably a 12-word seed phrase. Sometimes it's a 24-word. I strongly advise that you guys don't copy and paste seed phrases. It's very, very dangerous, and hackers can easily get access to your wallets like that. So put in your password, your new password, and then import. Now I'm just going to go to the widget little icon over here, close this. So, okay, I've got, let me just close these. Right, I've got my wallet here in front of me, as you can see. All right, this is the Ethereum main network. There are several networks. I'm going to show you guys how to add the Binance Smart Chain network as well. So if we go here to account, go to settings. Here you can set your preferences, whichever currency your country is in. If you go to advanced, yeah, it's auto lock timer minutes. I usually set this to immediately lock. So not even to 1 minute. On your mobile phone, you've got an option of setting it to immediately locking. So then you have very low risk or a lower risk of being hacked. And another thing is make sure that your passcode is pretty complex, so that hackers can't easily guess your passphrase or your passcode. All right. Okay, and let's go ahead and create a new PEP20 network on the Binance Smart Chain network. So what you can do is you can actually go straight to this icon on the top here. Just drop down, click on it, go to custom RPC. Let's head over first to Binance Smart Chain network. Click on the first website. Right in front of me, I've got this mainnet, network name, Smart Chain. So let's open up our Metamask again. As you can see, my settings on my wallet is not set to immediately lock. So if I had to close this, it would immediately lock, which means your wallet would be safer, obviously. But on your phone, you've got this option where you can immediately lock your MetaMask wallet. I feel it's just much safer. So let's go ahead and then add this mainnet Binance Smart Chain Network. So I'm just going to type these details in. So this network is for PEP20 tokens, basically BNB mostly. So once you've done adding it, then you can send BNB to this wallet. I'll show you where to get the address. Currency is obviously BNB. And yeah. Yes, you can. Right, then you just go save. As you can see, now you've got the smart chain network available, the mainnet. So basically, this is the Ethereum and this is the PEP20 network. So if you'd like, what you can do is, for instance, you can send BNB over here, but if you want to swap, you can go ahead and swap. But if you head over to PancakeSwap, and a lot of the times you can just connect your wallet and go to MetaMask. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet. You go to next, connect, and then you can swap directly on Binance. So usually slippages, depending on the altcoin, if the altcoin is newer, the slippages are way higher. So you have to set the slippage to like 12% if you want to swap the newer coins, the newer altcoins usually. So yeah, because they lack liquidity. So yeah, but another safety tip is if you head over here to your wallet and you can see it says disconnect, make sure that you disconnect. And even when you disconnect, it doesn't mean that you are disconnected from the website. You have to make sure, because hackers can easily infiltrate the system. So, and if you leave your wallet connected to PancakeSwap, I mean, if someone is good enough, um, if he's a good programmer or she's a good programmer, they can hack into your wallet and they can just send your funds out. So as you can see, I did disconnect. I'm disconnected. It shows that I'm disconnected. But if you head over to your MetaMask wallet, it shows that I'm still connected. So head over to here, to this icon, and make sure that you disconnect this account. Very, very important. Make sure that you are totally disconnected from PancakeSwap or Paraswap or any of the websites that you exchange coins on, any of the exchanges. So another safety tip is if you open up your MetaMask wallet and yeah, if you want to send PEP20 tokens, you can just copy this address. This is the address you see, send your BNB to. And then from there, you can exchange BNB to altcoins on these websites or even directly through the wallet. All right. Another tip that I want to show you guys is if you are using Notepad, for instance, a lot of people make this mistake. They go to their account settings, and then they go to settings, security and privacy, and then they reveal their recovery phrase. And yeah, I've got my recovery phrase in front of me. And what they do is they copy this and maybe they save it onto their notepad. This is a big no-no. This is very, very dangerous, and hackers can easily hack. If they get into your computer, they can basically go through your files, and then they can just see, oh, here's a password, here's the 12 words security phrase and recovery phrase, and they can obviously open up your wallet and withdraw your funds. Another thing is, even if you delete all of this information after you've saved it, they can still go on to the history of the notepad. They can look at the code and basically look at the history of your notepad and still recover your secret recovery phrase. So don't ever copy and paste it anywhere onto your computer. All you do is you quickly open this up and you write it down on a piece of paper. And yeah, just keep it safe. Keep your recovery phrase in a safe place, but not don't copy, don't paste, nowhere on your computer. This is very, very important to keep safe from hackers. All right, and yeah, I hope this tutorial will help you guys keep safe. And thanks very much for watching. And please like and subscribe if you like my content. I really appreciate the support. And yeah, guys, happy trading, and enjoy what you do, and I think everything will work out. So bye for now. See you guys in the next video.